So this is what my Subaru is doing. It's an 04 Outback. Right now it's idling actually, but it's idling very low and it'll stall every once in a while. I'm kind of surprised it's not doing that right now actually. It's not the gas. I cleaned the IC valve and the housing of the intake and all that junk. Nothing seemed to work. Replaced some plug wires, and I don't know what else to do. Any suggestions? That would be awesome. I mean, oh look, just cut off actually. But so it's real random. It'll do it every once in a while. So any help's greatly appreciated.